So this is just going to create a copy of the beach image, and then the second parameter is the border itself. Here I'm going to say border, and it's going to be equal to a number, let's say 30. And then the third parameter is the color that we want for that frame. So you can pass, let's say red. So I'm going to say here fill, and then it's going to be equal to red. And finally, we can just store that in a new variable called image framed. And then I'm going to just show that image without saving it. You can save it if you wish. I'm going to say image framed and then dot show. And finally, I'm going to call this function to test. So I'm going to say here create frame. And finally, I'm going to just save and run our script and see what's going to happen. So if you save and run your script, you'll find that a frame has been added to this image. As you can see, it's a red frame with a width or with a thickness of 30. You can play around with these two. So here you can say instead of border equals to 30, you can say 10. And the red, you can change the color to something else. Let's say yellow. And if you save and you run your script one more time, you'll find that the thickness of that border is now thinner, and also the color is yellow because we have changed the color and thickness. So you can change the border thickness and the color by changing these two, and it's gonna display the image in a new frame, in a different frame. So this is the red one, which had a thickness of 30, and the color was red, and here the color is yellow, and the thickness is only 10. So this is how you can add or display an image in a frame.